You're welcome to the video, guys. It's me, Splode. I need to start getting used to putting plasma in the thing. But anyway, I'm going to teach you how to do thumbnails on this app called Fonto. I don't know how good the video quality is going to be because I haven't done this before. But, so if you wanted to make a thumbnail, you click the little camera icon down here. Then you want to click, yeah, Jacob? I'm pretty sure they can. Anyway, you click plain image. Then you click any of the top two. Then you can either choose your colour from all of them, or you can put an image in the background. I'm going to do a colour. So let's say, like orange, let's say. Then I click apply. This is where people are going to go wrong. You want to click up here, where it says 2048 by 2048. You want to go down to iPhone 8 Plus / 7 Plus / 6 Plus, and you click that. And then once you've done everything, you want to click the box that has an arrow and click use. Now you can add text by just clicking anywhere and clicking add text. So let's say, what are we going to be doing soon, Jacob? So let's do daily. Oh, sorry, it's just I've knocked something. Daily vlog. You can do this in any font by. I'll show you in a second. Sorry, guys, it's just really glitchy. You can, once you've done it, you can click, and then you can have all these options. Wait, I don't think you can do 3D. Yeah, you need to buy 3D and stuff. But then you go to font, and then you get all of this, so you can choose any fonts. There's also like favourites and all that in that. And I'll put like an image or something. So like, I could do an emoji. So let's say, how about I type camera and then just get like a camera. It's small, but you can click size and enlarging it. Oh, it's a bit too big, but you can tilt it and like make it look quite nice. You can also add images. Actually, just thought how to make a thumbnail is what I'm making. That's what I should do, to be honest. Really smart, aren't I? So I'm just right. So how to make a thumbnail. See, it works with anything you type in. Sorry for all the glitching, guys. It's just my phone is not the best for like touchscreen. And then how to make a thumbnail. I'll add like an image. So what images are there? Just preview images, so I'll try and cover that. I'll just put this dial in, okay? Because I've got a dial there. Then you can just put it in wherever you want. Don't know why it keeps asking me to stop screen recording, but anyway. So you've got that, and then you can just put like shapes in there. If you click the three lines, click add item, you can like just put any shape. So I'll just put let's say a star in, and then you can colour that and make it like, let's say, yellow. Hang on, guys. You can size up the star you can tilt it as well. That's how you make a thumbnail. Ignore this up here. This won't do anything. You can just, as long as it's, oh, hello? Oh, guys, sorry for such bad glitching on the video. Yeah? It's alright. How to make a thumbnail, and then you've got everything. So now you click the square with an arrow in again. Then you click the one that's got like a black square with an arrow going down, which is save image. It saves successfully. It might be an ad. In another video, I'll tell you how you can upload it. You can go into photos or gallery, whatever. You can go to it. And then you've got your thumbnail. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Ready?
Oh, sorry for that. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see me play more games or anything else, just put in the comment of this video. And peace out, guys.